welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Thursday, September 8th, 2016. Just going to read our disclaimer quickly. Trading stocks is a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice. Thank you for your patience with that. And I cannot stress that enough. I am only sharing my own homework with you. So everyone needs to do their own research on the charts that we look at. Thanks for your patience, by the way, with me not putting a video out on Tuesday. I drove my daughter back to university, and I'm happy to be back at it today, Thursday. So we always start our videos off with a look at the Russell Index, and for that we use the IWM, which is the ETF that represents the Russell 2000. And we're looking at it on a 5-year monthly time frame. We always start with a look at the Russell because we want to make sure that the overall market is trending higher, which it is. Having said that, we're coming into an area of prior resistance, a prior high, so we always want to be careful and trade our plan. But with price ticking higher, this is the 5-year monthly. Let's go to the 2-year weekly. Price up and over that blue 8-day EMA. We will put a chart forward today. Interesting news day today. Mario Draghi and the ECB decided to leave rates unchanged. I think that's worth noting as well today. So our chart for today is Darden Restaurants. Let's go look at the 5-year monthly chart. As you can see, it's in this beautiful uptrend. It's at this area of support. This is just my rough line of support, very rough area, but I like the way it's behaving around this area. I like that it's in an uptrend. I like the price action here and the wedge and 2 consecutive prior months of indecision, and then the look that it's giving us right here at this important area that suggests that it may want to go higher. Emphasis on the word may. So let's go from the 5-year monthly chart to the 2-year weekly chart. Take a look. And I'm going to get rid of my wedge now because it's kind of cluttering price in this area. So let's get rid of the wedge. And we see that price is moving up and over the 8-day EMA on the weekly chart, which is good. So it had this base building here off this area of support, and it looks as though it may want to continue rising here. So let's move it away from the 2-year weekly to the 9-month daily. And now let's put our 3 and 8 on there, and you can see that price is, let's go to the 3-month because it's just a bit easier to see. So price is up and over the 8-day EMA, the blue line. On the daily, we want to have it stay that way. It can move around this area a little bit, but I think Darden Restaurants looks kind of interesting in this area. So now that we've looked at the chart, let me tell you a little bit more about the company, DRI. It's Darden Restaurants. They run Olive Garden and some restaurant franchises. They were incorporated in 1995. They're a full-service restaurant company. As of May 29th, 2011, the company operated through its subsidiaries about 1,800 restaurants in the United States and Canada. The industry that it's in is ticking higher. So we want to check the boxes. We've got a market overall that's ticking higher, an industry that's going higher, and at Chart of the Day Cafe, we always focus on value. So we've got a nice value stock that's got growth and a dividend that's sitting off support and lifting. So market going higher, industry going higher, and stock looks as though it may want to go higher. So as per the value component, that's what I look for is there. It's got a nice value component. It's got a forecasted earnings growth rate forward of 20%, which is nice. It's got an earnings yield that I look for as well that is ticking higher. And it's got a dividend yield of 3.56%, which is really nice. So all the things that I look for at Chart of the Day Cafe, value first, growth second, and a dividend if I can find it third. So Darden has all of those things. In preparation for today's video, I always want to kind of scooch around the internet and see what I can find, read my pick for the day, and I'm going to include this article from the Street, Olive Garden. It's a recent article dated, I think it was August. Yep, August. Canaccord has upgraded Darden. Is it Canaccord? Yeah. And also, I went to Equity Clock this morning. That's the site I told you about last week. It's such a terrific site. And DRI, Darden Restaurants, is entering into its period of seasonal strength. So those are all good things. You want to stack as many good things in your corner as you possibly can. This is a terrific website. I encourage you to go take a look. But with that, I am putting Darden Restaurants, DRI, forward as my Chart of the Day Cafe pick for today, Thursday, September 8th. Thanks and have a great weekend.